Hello friends, hope you are doing excellent. We enjoyed the way Montu handled the marriage invitation payback scenario, right? Last time he was very happy that he got a marriage invitation, and then finally he got a notice to pay back some money. This was not good, but he really handled nicely. If you remember, Montu did not get the job, but his close friends with whom he spent most of the time has got the job, and his friends decided that they will help Montu. So since Montu get tensed on crucial moments, they decided Montu should get rid of that fast. There are lots of lectures by friends as usual. You must have seen in college life. Normally the college kids, they give lectures in motivational speech in their own way, which normally are not same as what grown-ups does, right? So based on those, his friends decided that Montu has to overcome the situation, like getting tensed. And there is second negativity also he has. He cannot face the girl or any woman. Whenever he has to face any girl, he cannot even remember what he is going to talk. So his friends decided that they will attack two of his negativity together, right? So they have put him in a real exam. They decided that Montu will propose a girl in their college. Sounds funny, isn't it? They selected the girl from their same batch. And the reason they selected this weird way, because I told you, he has two major negative problems. This is pretty common example of showing smartness among college kids, right? There is nothing unusual about it. My friend, I'm sure you are thinking about this too. However, Montu's life is not that simple. He has to face, first of all, this proposal first time in a life. Not only that, there would be a twist who is totally unaware of. And my friend, Montu's friends who have staged this situation also not aware of what is going to happen. So Montu's friends made this plan along with that identified girl so that things does not take wrong turn. However, they have not informed Montu about this. Definitely, if they inform Montu, then there is no exam. Montu will be well prepared and he can manage the situation. Since his friends were insisting him to pass through this exam, Montu has to really practice. Everybody has to practice, especially if this is the first time. And Montu is going to propose. He never done this, so this is totally a different experience altogether. But he is scared within himself. So he decided that first he will inform that girl that this is just a mock staging to show his friends, and there is something that he also needs to get a job. He also need to practice how to overcome the tension and scaredness, so things will be normal. He condolences himself all the time. He also thought about all type of possibilities, like what if the girl slaps him. So he decided that he will keep safe distance. The girl might just use the slang words and run away, so he will choose an isolated place to avoid any humiliation, right, from the passerby. The girl might get very angry or do not say anything, or tell him that she will answer later, or may make fun of him. So there's all sorts of possibilities. What you call normally this thing in your project, identify all risk and plan for the mitigation. So his friends gave him sufficient time for Montu to prepare himself, do rehearsals as much as he wanted. They also helped him in the rehearsal. Finally, time came for the exam. His friends accompanied Montu till certain point and then asked him to go closer to that girl and propose. His friends will keep watching from the distance. Montu has collected lots of courage in last few days. Everything just went into air like balloon burst as soon as his friends left him. His heart started punching in the chest. mouth completely dry. More closer to the girl, Montu get increasing heartbeat and his vision started getting blurred. He puts his head down like this so that he doesn't have to see her face. He feels so shy. It's like all the shyness of a person can get into a whole life are getting summed up together. Along with it, blurry vision, high heart rate, completely dry mouth. By now, he also forgot the dialogue he practiced. While he was trying to remember, the girl said, "Hey Montu, how are you?" The voice made him talk suddenly again, like he suddenly wake up. He's supposed to talk, but just because he heard the girl's voice, his inner instinct, Montu started talking. Do you have any idea about spirituality? The girl got complete shock. This was not part of the plan what Montu's friend told her. Montu kept talking. Spirituality involves the recognition of a feeling of sense of belief that there is something greater than himself, something more to be human than sensory experience, and that the greater whole of which we are part of, cosmic or divine in nature. Did you drink, Montu? The girl asked. What? No. Who drinks this time? When spirituality in its optimum level, then people drinks. Things are not as planned. So the girl decided to leave. Is it a joke going on? Montu has not looked up her face yet, and he kept talking on the spirituality. The girl got annoyed and asked Montu in high speech, "Stop it, Montu! You never speak to me, and suddenly you are trying to speak to me. I know you boys, what does this mean? You came to propose me, right? I can answer only if you help me in getting rid of my current boyfriend." She said all this in one single breath. I mean, what? A pin of silence for few moments. Montu was like, don't know what to respond. Did he propose? He could not remember. Looks like the girl accepted his proposal but with a condition. Is this a joke? Montu stayed silent. After a few moments, the girl said, "I accept your proposal. However, you have to help me getting rid of my current boyfriend. If you cannot, I will slap sexual harassment case on you. Let's meet tomorrow at 6 p.m. in College Oval Garden." And then she left. Should I cry or laugh? My friend, Montu is standing there. Let's take a pause and think how you can manage this situation now. Montu came to improve his negativity with his friend's assurance that nothing will happen. Now he is into a trap. If he does not help that girl, she will complain against him, which means his career will be destroyed totally. Forget about getting a job. I'm sure you are enjoying about Montu being into travel. If I am in Montu's place, I will definitely cry and blame my friends who has asked to face this exam. We will have fight for sure, and our friendship will be gone at least for few months. That is part 1. Part 2 is helping that girl for her breakup with her boyfriend. I really don't know what to do in this situation. I love in making relation, not breaking. Seriously. So again, we'll take friends' help to convince the girl at least to let me go from this mission. How about you? Let's see how Montu managed this situation. First of all, he did not react in front of his friends. Even though he realized that this is because of his friend's plan. When his friends asked what happened, he told the part where the girl has threatened him. His friends now in shock. They did not script this. So they decided to meet the girl and charge why she threatened Montu. Friends, this event is a classic example when you plan for something but that takes you to a different direction. You have to control your steering so that you stay focused. Montu asked them to be cool, and let's take some time to think on how to react on this. After returning to hostel, they thought in cool mind and came up with some action plan. The ultimate goal is to save Montu from harassment, because no way they can help to break someone's friendship or love affair. This is not a movie, my friend. So what was the action plan? Hello friend, we'll come with the action plan Montu and his friends prepared in my next video. Till then, stay safe, healthy. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Share with your friends as much as you can and comment. Bye bye.